from the Euless Public Library, and this is STEMtastic Challenge. Each week I'm going to be giving you a challenge that you could do at home. It will be one of the following challenge types: build, engineer, explore, and experiment. This week we are doing an Explore Challenge. For an Explore Challenge, you will be exploring a particular science topic. This may be through an activity or a demonstration that you could do at home. You may even be given instructions on how to make something that will help you explore the topic. In the video, we will give you a brief introduction to the topic as well as instructions on how you can explore the topic. Just like always, I encourage you to explore as a family and discuss your findings. We would love to see what you have discovered or learned, so please, once you're done exploring, post a picture, video, or a description in the comments or use the hashtag STEMtasticChallenge.
Every month, all of the challenges will be based on a theme. This month's theme is love and attraction. Since Valentine's Day is this month, I thought it would be fun if all of the STEM challenges had to do with love, candy, and things that want to stick together. Since part of this month's theme has to do with attraction, I thought it would be cool to explore magnetism. What do you know about magnetism and magnets? Do you know that magnets can attract as well as repulse different objects? Did you know that magnets have magnetic fields and that magnets also have a north and south pole? Have you ever heard of the saying, opposites attract? Well, this week we are going to explore magnets and magnetism by finding which household objects are magnetic, as well as make our own magnet mazes. See if you can guess which objects will be magnetic, or see how fast you can get your paperclip through a maze without touching it. To help you get started on exploring magnets and magnetism, you first need to know more about how magnetism works. Magnetism is an invisible force that can attract or repel certain types of objects. This is caused by how the electrons are arranged. In most objects, the electrons spin in all different directions. But for objects that are magnetic, the electrons spin in one direction, causing a magnetic field. Because the electrons spin in one direction, it creates two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Another result of magnetic fields is that the magnetic force can move things from a distance. One really cool thing you can do with magnets is you can create more magnets by simply stroking a magnet in one direction on a magnetic material. This will cause the electrons to move in one direction, making a new magnetic field. Here are two suggested activities to guide you in exploring magnetism. The first activity is to use a magnet and objects from around your house to figure out what is attracted to magnets and what is not. In other words, figure out what is magnetic and what is not. Record your observations in a chart. The second activity is to guide a paperclip through a maze using a magnet. To help you make your paper maze sturdier, put your maze on a paper plate. To add a little more fun, tape a paper heart to the paperclip so you can move the heart through the maze. You can find a maze generator online, or you can design your own maze. You can also find both of these activities in this month's elementary grab-and-go bag, which you can pick up at the newly renovated library on Ector Drive. Anyways, have fun exploring magnets. Challenge yourself to discover things you didn't know and discuss these new things that you've learned with your family and friends. Don't forget to post a picture, video, or description in the comments or use the hashtag STEMtasticChallenge. We would love to hear about all the things you have learned about magnetism.